Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Banknifty only. So I don't have anything for the post-market analysis, but uh, let us see the analysis for tomorrow from different perspective and different time frames. So let us start the analysis. So this is a Bank Nifty spot chart and this is a daily time frame. You can see I have drawn fib retracement. So these are two different tools. If you open the fib retracement tool, let me show you. This is one fib retracement and second one is trend based fib extension. So okay, let me delete. So this is the simple fib retracement that I have drawn, and this part on the left is the fib extension. So how to draw the fib extension? Take the first low. When you click on the fib extension, click on the first low, then second high, and then the bottom of the next low. Okay, so in this manner you can see the extension gets plot, and this is the fib extension, no, this is the fib retracement. So how to draw this? You need to just connect the low and the high. Okay, this is the low and the high you can identify. So from the fib extension tool you can clearly identify that when market traveled from this low to this swing high, it retraced exactly at 0.50. Okay, if you want to see, let me draw right in front of you one more fib retracement so that your doubts would be clear. Okay, let me take till here, and what I would do, I would label to the left so that there won't be any confusion. Okay, you can see market retraced in one way, exactly taking support at 0.5 levels. Okay, next, when the trend when the trend continues, then from this particular swing low it retraced completely, or it crossed the zero levels, and now you can see that it is taking the resistance of 0.6 level. Okay, so in so as per my knowledge or what I feel, or whatever my trading experience is, 0.3, 0.5 and 0.6, these three levels are very important from the fib retracement point. So you can clearly see that market taking resistance of 0.6 level, coming down. Now it has just closed above 0.5 levels. So what if we consider fib retracement analysis, it may take support of 0.5 and then bounce back, go to the upper levels, or if this level is broken 0.5, then you can see market coming down to 0.3 levels as well. So what are the levels at 0.3? You can see it is 38,189. That is a round close of a round figure, we can say, at 38,000. So market can touch 38,000 levels as well. Okay, so this was from the fib retracement point of view. Now let us do the analysis from different perspective. Okay, so this is the day view time frame. Let us see just okay, so what I wanted to show while explaining in my previous videos how the previous swings are acting as a support and resistance, you may understand. So while explaining in my previous video, I have mentioned that this swing would act as a resistance. This would be the first and this would be the second. Okay, around 40,040s. um, if you have any doubt, just go back to my previous videos and take the revision of this particular analysis. So market respecting the previous swings, okay, you can clearly identify, you can see the horizontal line and market exactly reversing from that particular point. Same thing uh, I can show in the Dow Jones chart as well. So when Dow Jones has broken this support line, I had drawn these two things and kept as it is. So you can see market has exactly reversed from this particular point. So this was the main swing high, that was the previous all-time high. Okay, and market was taking support and then it gave a breakdown. Okay, so this is how previous swing lows and highs act, or we should take into consideration while trading. Next, this is the price action indicator which I have at my end. So what I wanted to show this is a 1 hour time frame. Market move in the upward direction by making higher highs, okay, or higher lows, higher highs or higher lows. So at this particular point around, if you see, this low was not taken out, the next low was not taken out, market continuously forming the higher lows. Now what can happen? Even we saw the gap which was pending full was filled. So even if market comes down, this particular zone, the 38,000 to 37,600, would act as a strong support zone, or market is forming its base, okay, for the upward rally. So this zone would not be broken easily in one go or in a day, unless and until we have a very bad news in the market, or very bad panic thing into the market. Okay, so this was it regarding the price action point of view in a 1 hour time frame. Now let us come down to the 15 minutes time frame for intraday. What do we have? So at the bottom we have a strong support at 38,000 level. 38,500 is a good support. Compared to this, if we look at the OI data, strong OI, we see a strong OI data at 38,000 level. 38,800 would be the crucial level from the opening point of view. It may act as a support if market opens above, and it may act as a resistance if market opens below. Okay, at the top we have strong resistance of 39,000. If you look at my previous post, let me just try to show you what I wanted to show. The previously thing, if you remember, that I had marked that particular zone in orange, okay, stating that it is a good resistance zone. Just look at this particular thing, you may be able to understand. Okay, so this strong support was broken, and we have seen a good resistance zone was being developed. So while explaining the analysis for this level, even I had mentioned that market would take the resistance up to this level 39,000, and same we saw. Okay, so market opened gap up, but it could not resist above level, or it faced a resistance at this particular level, and from there it came down. So this level has become a good resistance level now compared to the previous one. And at the top, as we go at the top, the resistance keeps on increasing. Next thing what I wanted to share is regarding the trend line. Okay, let it just load. I would show you in a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, you can clearly identify the trend line which is there, or whatever I have drawn. It has taken support for more than 3 times. Okay, this is in 1 hour time frame. Let me just make it to 15 minutes so that you can identify. Okay, first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so more chances of breaking the trend line below, or it may bounce as well. So take both the things into consideration and trade and plan accordingly. So when we have a plan, okay, so what would or how to trade if market opens gap up, then we have so and so resistance. If market opens gap down, then we have so and so support. What could be the cases, or what would be the scenario? Then there are more chances that we do not end up in losing. Okay, initially when I was trading, I never used to think in both the directions. I always used to think in one direction, or my perspective was in only one direction. So because of which I was into the losses. But since when I started looking for the both sides, uh, many of my trades went into the profit. But due to my office work, I'm not able to trade consistently. But what I feel, at least to help you guys by sharing whatever the knowledge I have. So this was it regarding the intraday levels and analysis for Bank Nifty for Monday. I hope you like the analysis. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.